What's going on, guys? Happy New Year's Eve. Today, we're not going to be talking about gear, but if you want to ask, this is the Action 6 full auto. That's it. That's all I'm going to say, because I feel like all we do is talk about gear in these videos. And it's funny because we talk about gear that's for vlogging, but then we do barely any vlogging at all. Everything is just about the cameras and the lenses and the accessories and all that stuff. And we are a vlogging community. I got into this because I want to learn about people's lives, experiences, anything that you can do with these cameras. And so today is one of those vlogs, right? It's just straight vlog. Happy New Year's Eve. Last Friday was my birthday and I turned 36 years old. I had a blast. Honestly, I can say, up to this date that being my 36th birthday was the best birthday I have ever had, besides the one time my wife threw me a birthday party when I was 18 years old. So that was really cool too. Thanks, babe, for that, if you watch this video. We started off with obviously Christmas Eve. We celebrate Christmas on the 24th with my family because that's Mexican Christmas Day. And then on the 25th, we had her family come over my house and we had a packed house. We had great food, beer, watched football. That was awesome. Then on Friday, which was my birthday, we ended up going out with my friends. They got me this cool hoodie from Rockford. I always love wearing Rockford apparel. They got me a cool Rockford hat, which I had on the video yesterday. It says Rockford kind of backwards, and it's really cool. So I got that. I got me some Green Bay Packer apparel. And talking about the Green Bay Packers, my family from Texas, my dad lives in Texas with my siblings and my stepmom. They all came and surprised me with a Packers game on Saturday against the Ravens. But yes, unfortunately, we got our butts kicked pretty bad. We had like a few more injured players, but it was still pretty exciting because my family has never been to Lambeau Field in Green Bay. I think only my dad has and my uncle, but the rest of them didn't. So my siblings were very excited, which makes me excited. We ended up walking around. I did take my camera and try to vlog a little bit. It was mostly like B-roll, just to do like a talking head video like this. But the game was awesome. Like, we had a lot of fun. We lost, but oh well. It was still a great experience for me. We did get home at like 3 a.m. And then Sunday night, we watched the Bears game, which they lost. And that's very exciting for me because as a Packer fan, you guys know how that goes. My family got crazy after the game. They're like, let's go to the casino. So we did. We ended up getting to the casino at like 1 a.m. and left at like 3:30 a.m. And I ended up winning $500. So I pulled out right away and I came out positive. I did end up buying the new extension DJI Osmo mini rod with Hey, how's it going? Can I do a large caramel macchiato ice with only half of the syrup in there? Just do that.
Do you want that in a big
Yeah, just a little bit. I don't like it super sweet. Just a little bit. Oh, large for both of those. Yeah.
And then you were all set. I'll be ready down at the end for you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, this looks good. We did the venti ice shaken espresso with the sub cinnamon flavor, whatever thing they have going on right now. We went with the cinnamon dulce, which is dolce or whatever they call it. That's good. You know, I should start telling them to not put that much syrup in them because I went half sweet on the shaken espresso and it tastes way better. All right, so what am I grateful for this year? Honestly, I would like to see a vlog from all of you guys, all the vlogging community, because I want to see what you guys are grateful for, what you guys have enjoyed about this community, because it's been a year since I don't know if we've started this or we joined it or what, but I started vlogging exactly a year ago tomorrow. And that's when I started YouTube. So happy 1 year anniversary to my channel, my vlogging and all my videos and stuff like that. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. I got about 3,400 subscribers in a year, which is crazy to me. I didn't think anybody would want to watch me talk about random stuff. I'm grateful that I'm healthy. I'm grateful that my body works. Nothing's wrong with it yet, and I hope not until I get way older, but I'm grateful for what this community has done for my own mental health, and just be able to find a place where I can be myself, where I can just let some of those thoughts in my head go, talk to somebody, be able to be a creative and without any rules, right? It's not work. It's nothing. I just make these videos because I love to make these videos. That's pretty much it. I'm also grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my wife, my kids. They're all really nice kids, not to brag on them, but they are very nice kids. I'm so happy. Now, goals for 2026. I definitely want to get into some sort of shape. I don't necessarily want to be like a bodybuilder model or anything like that, but I told my wife, just like I told her when I grew my hair out all the way down to pretty much like my chest, I told her one time in my life I want to have long hair, and I did it. And then I want to have like a six-pack and some arms, and like I want to look good like one time in my life. I'm just skinny right now. Like I'm skinny fat, and I've always kind of been that way, but I really just want to get in shape, and that's what I want to try to do this year. I've kind of like half-ass did it other years, but this year I kind of want to take it a little bit more serious. I'm not going to be going to the gym. I'm just going to be doing it at home, just because of my life and schedule and running a business. I just don't have that kind of time. I got a friend that's like, he looks awesome, and I asked him for some advice. He gave me some guidance, so I'm going to try to follow those rules at home and my diet and stuff like that, and I'll keep you guys updated with that journey. I am going to take a picture tomorrow so that in a few months I can take another picture and I can show you guys. Maybe I'll do a vlog on my progress and stuff like that. But that's probably that's not number one, but it's up there on the list of goals that I want to do. I also want to hopefully grow another 3,000-4,000 subscribers. I want to hit 10K by the end of 2026 in terms of subscribers. So hopefully I can hit that goal. That's another one. I also want to travel a little bit more with my family. I haven't had many family vacations with them, and we're going to be taking our first one this year in a couple of weeks. We're actually going down to Florida, which I've always wanted to go down to. I've only been down there for work, and usually I just get off the plane, go do the job, get back on the plane and leave. But I've never actually like explored Florida and like, you know, hung around there. We're staying in Orlando, but we're not going to Disney World. We're going to Epic Universe or whatever. It's like a new side of the theme park where they have like Super Mario World and a few other cool things. So that's what we're doing for a day while we're down there. We did get this cool Airbnb that has a pool, hot tub. Hopefully it works. So hopefully they don't come up with some bogus thing like the pool's out of order or something like that. So I'm gonna verify that with the owner before we fully go down there. I mean, we already booked it, but I just want to verify that. So honestly, that's all I wanted to say this year, guys. I love you all. I'm super thankful this year for this vlogging community, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Not much gear talk, but this is what we should be doing. We should be grabbing these cameras and vlogging more. I personally think it should be more 90% vlogging, 10% little nerd talk here and there. But you know, that's what I wanted this video to be. So I hope you enjoyed it. Happy New Year, everybody. And let's kick some butt in 2026 again. Peace.